Hello and welcome. In each corner, an Integrale has a strengthening beam to support the strut top mounting. This was spot welded in the factory without much rust proofing, and they really know how to rust. I'm saving a rusty Evo 1 wheel arch, and that's a rear wheel arch, and I need to replace this vertical beam. With the old section removed, I luckily have saved a Ford Galaxy rear bumper insert for just this job. It's good strong steel. I cut the top off, and that's quite close to the delta section. The delta part does have a slight curve, but I need to flatten the bumper piece a bit. It is very springy. By cutting, shaping and welding, I got close to the original part's tapered bottom end. I plan to weld at the top, then tightly bolt the plate on and puddle weld it, then fill in the bolt holes. That's the piece welded in. The bottom corners wouldn't sit right, so I cut them off. There's still work to do, but the progress is good. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.